When it comes to anything custom, there will always be risk. The way you mitigate that risk is crucial. Eclipse has the ability to mitigate risks through our procedures and process, which are based around PMI best practices. The process starts with early risk identification and actively managing risk through the creation of a risk register prior to contract award to identify project risk and actions required to ensure each risk is addressed and mitigated before impacting schedule. We have a dedicated project manager per project who acts as your customer-focused single point of contact throughout the life cycle of the project. We approach our client relationship as a partnership and provide regular, transparent status reporting and communications. Eclipse also has a global procurement group who are tightly coordinated with project management, crucial in maintaining project schedule in today's volatile supply chain. All these practices help to maintain project schedule, minimize unplanned cost, maximize equipment reliability, and open communication. With the focus on our customers' needs and addressing risks early and head-on, Eclipse Automation has the know-how to deliver quality work on time and on budget. Together, let's design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com